Hey guys, welcome back to Blue Whale Crypto. Today in this video, it's going to be very special. It's different from all of the other videos because today I'm going to provide you 5 special gem altcoins that can give you 10x to 50x gains in the coming days and weeks. So do make sure to like this video right now, right away, without wasting any more time. Keep all things aside and let's get into it. Alright guys, so first thing first, we will simply going to look out about the BTC, how the BTC has been reacting. All right, and then after we will go straight ahead providing you 5 very special altcoins. Okay, so here it is. BTC again yesterday tried to break this range, but it was not able to break this area again, and it was weekend, so I tried to short this area and it had given us immense amount of profit already. So till the time we are inside this zone, we have nothing to worry about unless we don't break these areas. There is nothing to worry about. Okay, I'll give you a separate video and provide you special analysis for the Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's jump into the first very special altcoin that we are supposed to pick for our upcoming 10x 50x gains. All right, guys. So the first one that I will talk about is Sol. Sol is performing ultimatum in the previous days, and why I'm picking this coin and why the premium family already have picked this coin yesterday night, and we are already up 500% profit into the futures. So let's talk about it first of all. It's not that far. You can still get a good entry. Which is the entry range? I'll let you know about that as well, and why we are taking the entry and where could be the special stop loss in case that the market is reversing that point where we can put our stop loss. Okay, this is a daily time frame. Let me switch it to the, so you can see it right here. We have been consolidating in this downtrend channel, and today is the special day for the Sol because the Sol is trying to break out this range right now in front of you. Okay, before this the Sol was printing a bull flag. Okay, so I'll take you in the smaller time frame to make you understand why we took an entry and till now how much profit we've been in right now. Okay, so you can see that this is the 7% range that we have already booked. We have booked a lot of profit as of now. It was for the futures, but now what I'm talking about, this is something that you need to build for your long-term perspective. Okay guys, if you build something for your long term, that's going to benefit you. In the shorter period, you can scalp, you can do short profits, but when you're building your portfolio for a long term, this is something that can give you immense amount of gains in the coming year, in the coming months. Okay, and the profit range that I'm talking about right now is way too much high, guys. So the profit I'm talking about that we can make out of this is 250% profit. Yes guys, we can make 250% profit, at least 100 to 150% in the coming month. Okay, how that is possible? Because this is a daily breakout. Once we see something in an early breakout, it works accordingly. So the coins that I'm today trying to make you understand, it's going to be on a daily breakout. All right, so this was the one which is the entry point. So if you are looking for an entry, it could be at the current market price. From you can take your entries nearly around from $20 to $26. Okay, what is going to be the entry? The entry could be $20 to $26. You can keep your stop loss at $17 if you don't want to take much of your risk, but I'm pretty much sure once there is a breakout, I don't believe it will come down much. If the Bitcoin is breaking ahead right now, right away, then we would not be able to get much of a chance to accumulate. Once it's going to be breaking out, there is one more resistance that is going to be 200 EMA, that is probably around $27. Once we break out this range, trust me guys, Sol gonna be immense and it's gonna give us immense amount of profit in the coming days. Let's switch on to the next one that we'll talk about is going to be Alpha. Alpha is also on a daily time frame, and you can see this channel. Okay guys, you can see that the market had been dropped tremendously. Okay, the coins that I'm providing you right now, it's not that far. Okay, if you talk about on a long-term perspective, you are just right near to the bottom, guys, right near to the bottom. So whatever we are picking right now is going to give you a huge profit in the long-term perspective. Okay, yes, it can also give you a good profit on a shorter time frame. You can also do scalping with these signals, but these entry, I'm giving you precise entries which can literally give you an immense amount of profit in the coming days. So what you are supposed to do, you will be making a purchase uh, in a slots. Not all the amount you will put in one coin, you will be putting it in all of 5 of them, and you have to make sure you remember me while you're going to be rich with these coins. All right, so let's talk about the next one, that is alpha. The alpha is also been consolidating inside this range, inside this channel. You can see that sooner or later it's going to be breaking out. Right now it is same performing like Sol. If you see Sol have been forming a bull flag and it breaking out upside, and it's also breaking out the descending resistance. Now this is the resistance level for the alpha, and the another resistance level for the shorter time frame. It's forming a perfect bull flag. Yesterday it tried to break out, but you can see that the upper resistance level had confirmed it, and it tested, and it got a high rejection from this zone. So we have again got a huge opportunity to long alpha, as well as you can grab it for your long-term perspective. Okay, I'm talking about the price, and the coins that I'm providing you will be no more than $20. Most of the coins are in $1 to $2, and you can talk about this one, $0.13, guys. So if you are putting a good chunk of your money, if you have diversified your portfolio for your long term, for your mid term, you can also pick this coin for your mid term perspective. So this will give you immense amount of profit. What profit we are talking about, I'll also explain you that. All right. So here's the range that we are talking about. It will also give you 212% profit depending on the leverage, and if you are doing a margin trading, or if you're going a low leverage, and if you are a good holder, you can make like imaginary amount of money out of this. It's just the right timing, guys. Okay, I'm not saying that we can not hit the stop loss, but yes, I'm more like bullish at this moment. If the Bitcoin is able to cross $25,200, yes, sooner or later it will break it. If even it comes down, in that case we have to accumulate more so that we have a good entry, and we will be making an immense amount of profit. In this one, I will give you an entry for 0.135, and the next entry zone would be at $0.11, and the stop loss, you can keep it. Our stop loss, if we talk about a stop loss, it's very low, guys, very low. 33% of a stop loss for a profit of 200% profit. It can go far more upside than this, but I'm talking about the midterm, in which there could be the first huge resistance. So in this run, once the Bitcoin breaks out $25,200, we can see this pump in few days to a few weeks to 1 or 2 months. So this is the short-term targets that I'm expecting from these coins. Let's jump on to the next coin there. That is my special pick, the third special pick. That is going to be the Lit coin. Lit has been performing ultimate in the previous days, and same like Alpha, it's been consolidating inside this channel. Inside this channel, I don't want to make you understand. You already know that we have got multiple rejections, but right now we have got the ultimate breakout. All the signals that I'm providing you right now is a clear breakout signals. It's completely based on technical analysis. So whatever I'm providing you, I'm pretty sure that they will be providing you immense amount of profit. But whatever I'm providing is an educational form. Further, you know that. All right. So let's talk about the Lit. Where I'm looking out for a long-term opportunity inside the Lit is gonna be this range. So, all right. So the first midterm target that I will talk about is going to be this white line, that is $2.019. Right now, the current price of the Lit is $1.49. That means $1.5. And the other entry that you can possibly take is nearly at $1.3. So these are the two entry points that I'm thinking of taking it right now. All right. And it's 100% easy, but I believe it can easily go more than 200 to 300% profit. If we just talk about this range high, if I take this range high, it's probably more than 320% profit, but we will make it realistic. And if we are getting this much amount of profit, I'll be booking a lot of profit out of it, and I will be keeping my 20% of my lit portfolio of on any of these coin portfolio for my, I'll just book out all my profits and just gonna keep the 20% left it forever. Okay, whatever amount it goes. So in case it is going to $10 to $15 to 20, in that case I will use that portfolio. All right, I'll also going to explain you, if you need such details, how to manage your portfolio, how to do long-term holding, how to do short-term holding. If you need detailed information on this video, I'll also going to do that. You just need to comment in the comment section. That's all, guys. Coming up with the next that I will talk about is Waves USDT. This has also been performing quite well. I've been taking the entry right here, right before the breakout, which had given me 250% profit this morning, and I've booked a lot of it already. But guys, if you see that it's holding, it had broken the resistance right now. It had formed an inverse head and shoulder pattern. So on a technical perspective, I believe this coin is very bullish as of now. The current price of the waves is $3.064. The next entry point that I will provide you is going to be 2.65, and the stop loss that we can do is $2.04. Okay, and what I expect, the same we can expect from this one is going to be 200% gains in this spot. Okay, I'm not talking about the leverage, but I'm talking about the spot holdings. Okay, so we will keep our stop loss very tight, and this is something that I will 341%, and the first resistance area that I have calculated, so nearly this is the range I will believe. So these are the midterm targets, and you can look for 215%. I probably think every coin will be providing. Now, the coming up with the next that I will talk about is AXS coin. This is also an ultimate coin, and whenever it tries to pump, you can see previously in the bull run, this coin has given us immense profit. And once it starts going upside, it goes crazy and it never comes in somebody's hands. And that is very real. So what I'm talking about is right now, AXS is also forming a bull flag on a daily. There are two resistance area that I think, because on a short term, if you see on a 4-hourly time frame, this is the area which is holding, which we have already broken out, but the volume is little low. Once we break out this upper resistance, we will gonna fly. So which is that upper resistance that is nearly around $11.46, but you can start accumulating in this zone that is going to be $10.98. And if you are doing it for the long-term perspective, you can keep your stop loss at $8.28. And what could be your long-term targets or your mid-term targets? You can see this one candle that had gone up to $19. So it can give you easily 300 to 500% gains in the upcoming days or month. Okay, you just need to be a holder. Okay, I'll also gonna let you know when I'm trying to book the profits. I'll also gonna update you every single thing in my Telegram channel. So do make sure to join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description, and you can also join my Instagram. You can also join my Twitter, which I'll be providing you further updates. So these were my special picks for the day, for the upcoming month, that is Sol, Alpha, Lit, Waves, AXS. I believe you have got enough information to be a billionaire in the upcoming days, guys. Do make sure to share this video as much as you can with your friends and family, because all of us want to make huge sums of profit in this bull run. All right, guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.